কৰিছে, যিটো আমাক শংকিত কৰিছে বা আমাক মানে নিষেধ কৰিব বুলি আমাৰ ভয় হৈছে। সেইকাৰণে আজি জৰুৰীভাৱে ইয়াত আপোনালোক সাংবাদিকসকলক আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰি আমি ইয়াত সাংবাদিক মেল আমি দিছোঁ। আৰু আমাৰ মাননীয় সভাপতি গোবিন্দ তাইত ছাৰে ইয়াৰ চামাৰিখিনি ইংলিছত কৰি দিব আৰু অসমীয়াখিনি মই ডিটেইলছ কৰিম। আৰু আপোনালোকক ইংলিছ আৰু অসমীয়াত আমি গোটেইখিনি ৰেডি কৰিছোঁ।
সৰ্বপ্ৰথমে মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত ক্ষমা বিচাৰিছোঁ, অকণমান পলম হ'ব লগা হ'ল, তাৰ কাৰণে বেয়া নাপাব। আৰু সতীৰ্থসকল, আমাৰ খিলঞ্জীয়া জনজাতীয় সাহিত্য সভা, 8টা জনজাতীয় সাহিত্য সভাৰ খিলঞ্জীয়া সাহিত্য সভা এটা যৌথ মঞ্চ। আমি ইয়াত বহুভাষিক সংবিধান, 8টা ভাষাৰ লগতে আৰু 3টা ভাষা, ইংৰাজী, অসমীয়া আৰু হিন্দী লৈ পেলাই মুঠ 11টা ভাষাৰ আলোচনা কৰিলোঁ। এটা প্ৰেছ মিটৰ জৰিয়তে কিছুমান আমাৰ দাবী উত্থাপন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ জৰিয়তে আমাৰ এই খিলঞ্জীয়া জনজাতীয় সাহিত্য সভা, ইণ্ডিজিনাছ ট্ৰাইবেল সাহিত্য সভা অফ আসাম, it is a conglomeration of 8 indigenous tribal সাহিত্য সভা, namely Boru, Rabha, Garo, Tiwa, Dimasa, Karbi, Deuri, and Mishing. The ISSA has been demanding their languages, mother languages as medium of instruction at the lower primary level. As you are aware of the fact that Article 350A of the Indian Constitution has provided for making this medium of instruction to those minority language government that the Mishing, Rabha, Tiwa, and Deuri. Their language, mother tongue, should be made medium instruction and lower primary level up to class 5 from the academic year 2022. And the Karbi language should be up to class 8. These minority languages are on the verge of extinction. So this is the holistic duty of the government, the preservation and protection of our language, especially in these days of globalization. So the NEP 2020, New Education Policy 2020, also strongly recommended that the linguistic minority groups' languages should be made medium of instruction at least, or up to beyond that, up to class 8 or beyond that. But we being the integral component part of the greater Assamese society, Mishing, Rabha, Tiwa, and Deuri, they are demanding only up to class 5 only, that their languages should be taught, introduced as a medium instruction. The children should be given opportunity to learn get education through their own language, which they understand better. It is the recommendation of the NEP that it is the best medium of instruction. Mother tongue is the best medium of instruction for development of the child. So we demand before the government of Assam that from the academic session 2022, these 4 languages should be made medium instruction without further delay. And from class 6, we are ready to go for Assamese medium. So there should not be any problem. No organization, no section of people should think it unnecessary and unnecessary. So Karbi language should be introduced as medium instruction up to class 8. Then Dimasa, is for subject language. There is no hurry for demand for making medium instruction. Then secondly, our demand is that tribal and belt and blocks, as you are aware of the fact that the Assam Land Revenue and Regulation Act 1886 has provided for preservation and protection of tribal languages. Tribal land. So what we have seen for the past few years that the land of the tribal belt and block area have been illegally encroached by many intruders, so to say. So we have been demanding that the tribal belt and block should be protected properly by evicting all those illegal enforcers. So in spite of protecting and preserving the tribal belt and blocks as per provision under Assam Land and Regulation Act 1886, what we have recently noticed that the government of Assam, by a series of cabinet sittings, they have granted some classes of people as protected class within the tribal belt and block area. Thereafter again, in respect of this Kamrup Metro and Kamrup Rural District, the Deputy Commissioner has been empowered to give permission to sell land to the people other than tribal people. So they will definitely be marginalize the ownership of land of the tribal people residing within the tribal belt and block area. So we demand that that should be immediately stopped and the decision should be withdrawn in the interest of the tribal people of Assam. Of the Education Department, Government of Assam, there is 2,272. I think here is 92. It should be 72. Is not it? So 2,272 numbers of vacant posts for teachers has been advertised. Out of that, 338 for STP, reserved post for STP, then 197 for STH. Interestingly, to become eligible for the candidature, one must have studied in Assamese medium or Bengali medium. I mean Assamese language or Bengali medium, Bengali language up to class 10. So while a student who studied in Boru medium or in Bengali medium, Garo medium, they are deprived of this advertisement, this post, because they cannot apply. And for scheduled tribe hills, who have studied in English medium, they will also deprived because they have no Assamese language up to class 10. Like that of the Boru and Garo medium schools, students who studied in Garo medium and Boru medium schools. Another advertisement for Assam notified. For that, what has been done? The question paper will be set only in Assamese language. So how the candidate belonging to scheduled tribe, plains or hills, who have not taken the Assamese language, how can they will answer the question? How they will go for sit for the written test for that particular post? Directly deprived from appearing the written test examination for selection of this police, Assam police. So in both the cases, we demand that this advertisement should be modified to the suitability of the ST hills who studied in English medium, having no Assamese subject, one of the subjects. Otherwise, they will not be capable to appear in the written test. So that two advertisements should be modified to the suitability of the candidate, seeing their non-taking of this Assamese subject in their school days. A matter of concern that Garo, being the indigenous tribe, one of the indigenous tribe of Assam, 36 families of Garo tribe of Deka Basti and 58 families of Pagla Basti of Hudai district, they have been recently evicted. So being the indigenous tribal and they being protected by the Forest Dwellers Act 2006, the eviction should be stopped immediately and the resettlement should be given immediately in their present forest village. Another demand of the ITSA is that the provision of Forest Dwellers Act 2006, the Assam Land Policy 2019, and the recommendation of the committee headed by Justice Biplab Kumar Sharma in view of the implementation of the Clause 6 of the Assam Accord should be implemented in letter and spirit.